Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. Beauties, today I'm going to be creating this floral lace heart. So if you want to see how I put this together, then please keep watching. But before that we get started, I'm just going to ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also you'll click that bell icon, right there in the corner so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. All the items that I use to create this DIY are from the Dollar Tree and just one item from Walmart. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. As always, I'll be starting off by showing you all the items that I'll be using. I'll be using a glue gun, this double-hearted decor, some jute twine, and also this thicker cord twine, and this one is from Walmart. Dollar Tree also carries the thicker cord twine, but I had this one on hand. Some fabric lace doilies. Dollar Tree carries the white and cream colored ones. I'll be using the cream colored. Some pink roses and white roses. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is remove that center heart, and then I'm going to remove all the tinsel from both of the hearts. Okay, so now that I've removed all the tinsel off the heart, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the cord twine all around the heart. Now this is going to take a while. I'll be doing sections at a time. I'll put a little bit of hot glue and then I'll wrap the cord, and then I'll just continue repeating those steps until I'm completely done. Okay, so this is how the heart looks now with the cord wrapped all around. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do now is lay the lace on top of the heart, and then I'm going to hot glue in the areas where the lace goes over the rim of the heart. Because the lace is not a solid material, I do have to use the backside of the scissors just to hold down the lace until it adheres. Since I like to use all Dollar Tree items when I can, that's why I'm using these material doilies. This is the only size that they have. I wish they would have had bigger, but this is all that they have, so I did have to purchase 2 of them. But they do come in a pack of 2. And this is how it looks with this one doily. Now I am going to have to add some pieces just to cover up the corners. Using the other doily, I'm just going to place it over on the side corner, and then I'm just going to cut where I need to in order to cover that section that is lacking some lace. And here's the piece that I just cut, and I'm going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to hot glue it onto the heart, and I'll do the same thing to the opposite side. I did have to add just a little dot of hot glue where the lace laid on top of the other, just to make sure that they would cling together. Next, I'm going to cut off all the excess lace that hangs over the heart. The bottom tip of the heart is lacking a little piece of lace, so I'm going to cut a little piece and then just hot glue it. And this is how my lace heart turned out. This is the back, and then this is the front side. Next, what I'm going to do is reinforce the lace, and what I'm going to do is just hot glue a piece of that jute cord all around. And this is the back side of the heart that I'll be adding the cord. And now I'm just going to dress up the edging of the heart. I'll be adding some more of that cord all the way around the heart, but this time it's going to be only on the sides. Okay, for now I'm done with this big heart. Now I'm going to put it away because I'm going to start working on the small heart. Okay, for the small heart, I'm going to do the same thing as I did to the large heart. I'm going to wrap the cord all the way around the wire till I completely cover it. And this is how the small heart looks. And now for this small heart, I'm going to use the thin twine. And what I'm going to do is basically just form a web. I don't have a particular pattern. I'm just going to be wrapping the twine in different directions. And I'll also be adding some hot glue along the way just to make sure that it doesn't come loose. I did have to cut the twine and then start again because there was an area that looked like it was coming undone. And this is how the small heart turned out. Next, I'm going to hot glue it to the side of the big heart. And this is how the big heart looks with the small heart. Okay, now I'm going to start adding the roses there on the top corner. I'll be cutting off the plastic stem that the roses have on the back side. That way the rose can lay better when I hot glue them. And this is how the heart looks now with the roses. And now lastly, I'm just going to add a piece of cord on the back side so that I can have something to hang it with. Well, beauties, here is the floral lace heart. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, bye-bye, and God bless.